Today, we're going to explore a subject that affects many of us: stress. We're also bringing you on a journey to unravel the enigma of whether stress and hair loss are connected. Spoiler alert, they definitely are. Stress is an inevitable part of our lives, and while a little stress can be motivating, chronic stress can take a toll on our bodies, especially our hair. Stress triggers a physiological response in our bodies, leading to hormonal imbalances. Elevated hormones like cortisol, aka the stress hormone, can push the hair follicles into the resting or telogen phase prematurely, causing a condition known as telogen effluvium. The result is increased hair shedding and temporary hair thinning. Let's explore holistic approaches to combat stress-induced hair loss. Remember, a little self-care can go a long way. Number 1. Prioritize mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that combat stress. Make time for movement, whether it's a brisk walk, dance session, or a workout routine you love. Number 3. Nourish your body. Consume a well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and other essential nutrients. Remember, a healthy body nurtures healthy hair. Number 4. Pamper your scalp. Treat your scalp gently with all-natural hair care products like Morrocco Method's Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask, and our line of shampoos and conditioners. These products are free from harsh chemicals that exacerbate hair issues. It's also essential to create hair care rituals that promote scalp health. Here's how you can incorporate Morrocco Method's products into your routine. Cleanse and nourish. Cleanse your hair and scalp by rotating through our 5-element shampoos to get the maximum benefit from the Morrocco Method system. Condition and hydrate. Follow up with our nourishing conditioners like the Pearl Essence Cream Rinse or the Floating Lotus Conditioner to provide essential hydration. Scalp massage ritual. Use the Morrocco Method scalp massager in a gentle, circular motion across your scalp a few times a day. The stimulating massage encourages blood flow, which nourishes the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. Remember, self-care is an ongoing journey, and taking small steps each day can make a big difference in managing stress-induced hair loss. So embrace the power of holistic care and remember to nurture not only your hair, but also your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.